What is up, YouTube? In this video we're going to unbox a GoolRC 60 amp ESC and motor combo that I purchased for my cheap drift car that I've brought. This is a 60 amp ESC with a 3500 kV motor. It's a 3650 can. It should be about the right size for the little 3S drift setup I'm planning on running. Without further ado, let's get into it and have a look. In the box, you get some instructions. Let's have a look at them real quick. Basically, you have, you can get it to work, your motor specifications and that, so you can see exactly all your specs in your motor. This one here is the ESC, and there's some troubleshooting stuff that you can look at. Alright, let's have a look. Honestly, it's just thrown in the box like that. So, I mean, it is cheap, very cheap. I'm also going to leave a link to this in the description if you'd like to go have a look at it. But this is how it came in the box. Pretty much just sitting in there. The little motor. I'll look at it first. That over there. It says Surpass hobby on the motor. I don't know if you can see that. This is a GoolRC ESC and motor combo, which is what I purchased. See what the ESC says. The ESC also says Surpass hobby. That's strange, considering that this was supposed to be a GoolRC setup, which they look basically identical. So, I don't know. As you can see, it's a 60 amp, 2 to 3S LiPo, waterproof, fairly well built. Feels alright. Motor seems nice and heavy. It's supposed to be waterproof also, so it'd be interesting to test that. But we're going to get these in the drift car, and I guess in the future I'll let you know how it goes. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I don't know, I guess that's a little bit confusing that this is not actually a GoolRC motor and ESC. Maybe it's just rebranded. I'll have to look into that. But anyways, I'll make sure I'm going to give this a good test, and I'll make a video in the future on how it goes, if it actually handles 2 to 3S LiPo, or if it burns or anything like that. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.